Hello, my name is Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used Volkswagen. This is the Volkswagen Transport Highline 2.0 TDI 150 PS, and it does have 12 miles delivery miles. It currently has one previous owner, so you can be rest assured it has been well maintained during its life cycle. It comes painted in the stunning deep black pearl finish, which looks absolutely fantastic, with the VW badge detailing in the front and the rear of the vehicle. And here we have our wheels, which complement the exterior finish very well while offering a very stylish look to the van. And to minimise the risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the power folding wing mirrors do fold in when locked. And as we access the boot, you'll notice we do have a fantastic and spacious boot size, and we also do have our lashing rings across the surface of the floor, and you'll benefit from the lighting on the ceiling for that added visibility. Also, these barn doors will open up very wide to allow you to pack up to a loading bay and to maximise your loading space. As we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed van filled with fantastic features, starting off with the driver's seat, which is fitted with an armrest, offering you and your passengers that relaxing driving experience. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, and we do have our automatic headlights there ensuring that always know their correct times, alongside the window controls on the driver's door handle, all easily accessible on the right hand side. And just above the steering wheel we do have a cup holder and plenty of storage space. And once this fantastic van comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display, where we can view key information here like our mileage whilst on the move, and we do have our assist systems and functions like our adaptive cruise, which helps you stay safe at a consistent speed whilst driving on the motorway. Over to the infotainment screen, we do have a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and Armor Link, allowing us to access driver-safe applications, including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Now, we all love having a fun experience while driving, and the DAB radio keeps you entertained while you're on the move, as you have a wide range of stations to choose from to keep you busy while driving on those long distances. With this stunning van, you do get your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the front and rear sensors along with your rear view cam ensure safety, especially when manoeuvring out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight. Over to our climate controls, you'll notice we do have many options available here for you and your front passengers to enjoy that cosy drive. And on the right hand side we have our heated windscreen, and towards the left we have our parking sensors. And just below that we have even more storage space and our USB-C type ports. And to finally finish this video off, we have our 7-speed DSG right in the centre there. This vehicle has a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance and warranty. For more information, get in touch on 0161 667 8330 or inquire online now.